Here's another milling station that I just found. That I uncovered some of the dirt and moss, and you can see this scooped out section here. Probably, actually I can't even guess what the scooped out section was for. But this is interesting. This I left where it was. Whoops, come here, guy. Yeah, a little spider. Well, anyway, let's leave him where he is. Does that look like a rabbit? All right, I don't want to hurt you. There you go. Let's flip this around. Look at the trees. All right, now we're facing the other way. So this must have been like, this was part of this. That's really neat. I'll show you. It was laying just like that.